today's video, I'm going to share with you all my own version of Sushi Bake. Sushi Bake. Yeah, so disclaimer first, I am not a chef nor a cook, or I'm not good at cooking. So this is just my own version. It's simple, it's easy. I'm gonna start off by sharing with you all the ingredients that we're going to use for today. So first, the most important is the sushi rice. And then, of course, we needed the Japanese mayo. But we're going to add some regular mayo. And to add flavor, we're going to add cream cheese. And then of course, the sesame oil, rice vinegar, Furikake or rice toppings, imitation crab, onion, and for our toppings, scrambled egg. And of course, when it's all done, we need the seaweed wrap. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to cook the rice first. Then while we wait for the rice to be cooked, we're going to prepare all the toppings. So we're going to do 3 cups of rice. Exact. We're just going to eyeball everything because I usually don't measure. You have to make sure that the cream cheese is in room temperature so that it's easy to melt or blend with the entire ingredients. Transfer the rice in this bowl, and I prefer the rice hot so it's easier to mix the ingredients. So first off, as I said a while ago, I really don't measure when I cook for anything. I'm just gonna eyeball everything. So let's put the rice vinegar. Sesame oil. Okay, so I'm going to transfer half of this here first because we're going to do two types of furikake. I'm going to transfer half here. I usually add rice seasoning a bit. Some do like just the toppings of the furikake, but I mix furikake with the rice. So this is the norikomi furikake. Then we're going to transfer to the pan. So half. Our pan is a little bit tall. It should have been that thinner one. This is the kimchi furikake. A little bit.
Wait, it should be in the top?
Yes! You didn't have to help me then.
I was about to tell you I was saying it wrong, but
I forgot this. What a fail.
I thought you noticed it because you're looking at it, so I thought you were noticing.
Anyway, I guess it will still taste the same. So now they're done. I made a mistake. The crab topping should be underneath the furikake. Both, but anyway, I guess it will still taste the same. Now I'm gonna put them in the oven and bake them for 15 minutes.
Minutes later.
We're finally done, and I'm so sorry guys, it's a total fail just because before I actually put the rice in the bowl, they're actually half cooked, so I have to actually reheat them, and I don't think it's totally done or totally cooked. And also, I forgot to put the toppings first on top of the rice, and then you put the furikake, and then you put the Japanese mayo. So I completely forgot about the crab mixture. We're going to send the other pan to the chiropractic, and then the other one we're going to try it out. And this one, we're going to try it. So it's gonna be eat at your own risk. Still tastes the same. But I hope the people at the choir, they will like it. So that's it for today, guys. And I hope that you continue to follow me on my next videos. For sure next time I will try to do my best to cook this or bake this right. Continue to follow me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave your comments, and of course hit the notification bell so that every time I will upload new videos, you will be notified.